In this video, we will understand Nostoc, its habit, or you can say occurrence, its structure of its colony, structure of its filament, and reproduction in Nostoc. So, Nostoc is a filamentous BZA or cyanobacteria. This filamentous cyanobacteria is found in freshwater or terrestrial conditions. Terrestrial, freshwater or terrestrial conditions. In India, 26 species of Nostoc are found. In some cases, this Nostoc is also present in symbiotic association. It is, for example, Nostoc punctiforme is found in symbiotic association with coralloid roots of Cycas. Cycas is a gymnosperm. So it is found in coralloid root of Cycas, and their association is symbiotic association. It is another Nostoc, that is Nostoc-Occurrence. It is found in lichens. So it is found in association with, we know that lichen is a symbiotic association of algae and fungi. So here you can see Nostoc-Occurrence is a algal partner with fungi. So this is a brief introduction of Nostoc, about its occurrence. Now structure of colony. We know that Nostoc is found in colony forms and its colony is filamentous. So inside the colony there are many beaded cells or rounded cells in the form of filaments. Many rounded cells are present attached with each other, or in other words, you can say that there are many filaments which are entangled in a common mucilaginous sheath. So look, these are rounded cells which are attached with each other and forms filament, or this filament is also called trichome. These filaments, these many filaments that are present in a many filament entangled in common gelatinous matrix, and this forms colony. So here you can say that these are rounded cells. These rounded cells are attached with another and these forms a filament, and many grouped filament that are entangled in common, this is gelatinous matrix, that are entangled in gelatinous matrix. So these forms colony. So this is a structure of colony of Nostoc. So there is a common gelatinous matrix, and inside gelatinous matrix many filaments are entangled, and each filament also have its own gelatinous matrix. Beside having common gelatinous matrix, these filaments also have their own gelatinous matrix. Like this. So this is a typical structure of colony of Nostoc. It is also called Nostoc ball. Nostoc ball or Nostoc colony. So this is structure of colony. In colony, many rounded cells, beaded cell you can say, are present that are attached with one another, and this forms filament, and many filament together inside a common gelatinous matrix forms colony. Now look at the structure of its filament, or you can say trichome. Many cells that are present attached to each other, and these cells are somewhat constricted towards end. So this is a cell, this cell is constricted from there, so it is constriction. It is constricted from one end, and every cell is constricted, so they are constricted from there. So it gives a beaded experience, or you can say beaded appearance, moniliform appearance. Many cells that are attached with one another and they are constricted towards their end walls, and these constrictions give them moniliform appearance, like beads in a thread. So it gives a beaded appearance, and this filament is, you can say, uniseriate and twisted. It is not straight, it is somewhat twisted, but it is not branched, it is unbranched, but it is twisted. And uniseriate means single series is there, it is not branched. So it is a uniseriate, twisted, and these cells are constricted towards their ends, and this gives moniliform appearance. And inside this filament there are some thick-walled cells that are pale yellow colored. These are called heterocysts. So you can say that in the intercalary position some thick-walled pale yellow colored cells are there. These cells are called heterocysts. Beside this, some other thick-walled cells are also there. Thick-walled resting spores with abundant reserve food material, that is called akinets. So it is a uniseriate twisted filament, and these cells are constricted, that gives moniliform appearance, and inside this there is a thick-walled heterocyst and also a thick-walled resting spore, that is akinete. So this structure, this particular structure is called trichome. So this whole structure is called trichome, and this trichome also have its gelatinous matrix that is around this trichome. So this gelatinous matrix with trichome and gelatinous matrix, both these collectively are called filament. And this single structure, you can say structure that is present, it is called trichome. Trichome with gelatinous matrix is called filament. So this is structure of its you can say filament. Now coming to reproduction. Reproduction inside nostoc occurs through fragmentation, akinates, hormogonia or heterocyst. To know more about these terms, you can watch my video that is vegetative reproduction and asexual reproduction in Nostoc. So this is all about Nostoc.